Have you recently bought some rechargeable 3D glasses or left yours in storage and they're not charging? Then this is the video for you. Don't forget, if you're using the video today, there are links in the description below for the best place to get those home cinema products, so make sure you check those out at the end of this video. Hi movie fans, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to be checking out the BR250 3D rechargeable glasses. In the last video, I couldn't get them working, figured out how to get them really like new, and this is the simplest fix you'll ever see. Right, so in the previous video, we didn't have these working. I have figured out how to get them working, and I've got the other two pairs working. And you'll be quite shocked. You're not gonna have to take these apart. So if you plug that charging cable in, as you can see, the light's still not coming on, it's not charging. Turn them on, so they power on. Obviously they're powering on now, but if we unplug that and then try them, there's nothing, so there's still no power. So I found the best option to do is to plug it back in, power it on. Well, so we've got those plugged in and we're going to leave those for around 15 minutes. Hopefully, because the power is going through, it's going to trick that battery, get a little bit of power in there, and then we should be able to charge them ready for use. So just leave it for around 15 minutes with that cable in and the power turned on the glasses. Right, so it's been around 15 minutes. You can see the green light still on. So what we're going to do is unplug that lead. That'll go off, and then we'll plug it back in. See the lights come on now. We're going to leave that to charge. It's just say around 50 minutes, so hopefully these will be fully charged in 50 minutes. But you can see now we're not having to replace any battery. We haven't got to take it apart and trip it with a 9-volt battery. Those are the hacks you can do. This is just simple. Don't need any special tools. Just a bit of patience. Leave it for 15 minutes. Unplug it, plug it back in, and it will start charging. So I'll come back in 50 minutes when these are fully charged. Right, so it took around 35 minutes. The light's gone out, so I'm assuming these are charged. So we'll just unplug this, and we'll turn them on and see if they work. Right, so you can see the green light's on now, so these are powered on, so they're fully charged, blinking because it wants to connect to a TV or a projector. So these are fully working. I'm going to test these overnight and we'll see how they last. Following day, we have used all three pairs overnight. They work superb. I watched about 4 hours worth of movies on the projector. They're still working. So if we turn that on now, you can see they're still powering on, so it's still powering there. It's holding the charge, and it just saves you a fortune on buying batteries or messing around trying to take these apart just to trip it with a 9-volt battery when you don't need to. Don't forget, if you're using the video today, there are links in the description below for the best place to get those home cinema products. Make sure you check those out at the end of this video. Right, so enjoy the video, and as you can see, it's a really simple fix to get these working. There's no stripping them, replacing batteries. I will put links down below if you do need to replace the battery in yours. First of all, if you've bought new old stock or you haven't charged yours for 6 months, just try that simple fix that I did, and it worked across all three glasses. So I'd like to thank you all for watching. Keep supporting physical media, and I'll catch you in the next one.